Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon, hound dog. How you doing? Doing good? Yeah. Going down to strip some more stuff out. You're loving Daddy being home, aren't you? Yeah. Eh? You want to hurt yourself? Keep doing it, boy. Yeah, he loves when I'm working in the yard. He'll lay up in the step and watch me the whole time I'm working. So we're down here earlier today. It's mid-afternoon now. And stripped out a stove and a wash machine and threw the remains up in here. And we've still got gonna strip this out here for you. Another wash machine. We gotta move the stove out of the way first. We've that's the wash machine guts there, the shell there. The little guy likes crushing them down. He'll take that right apart so it'll lay flat. Now I'll throw it up in the truck. So first of all, here a bucket of goodies we've been getting so far today, wire and stuff, and components off the stove and the wash machine. I'll pull this thing off to get it out of our way so we can pull the wash machine back. There we go. Well, pull this out of the way before I break it. Let it roll down the ramp there a bit. Here we go. So, looks like the back is all nuts. And I'm just taking, cut that hose off, or actually we'll just pull it off. There we go. Look at that full of water. I'm gonna lose $5. Throw that in here. Oh. Throw this up in the truck. That was off the last washer drum, which we threw right there because we're gonna knock the shell off and clean it out, and so there's a fire pit. So need a nut driver set. We brought our heavy duty cordless hands on the ground. It's gonna get lost. Oh, we threw it in here. We got a little bucket of hauler tools around the yard with that we're gonna need for each project. We're gonna need that and this. Take the gloves off for now. These snips here to cut this wire off. Here we go. And we've been throwing everything right here. That's good. That nice brass silk stuff's just steel, unfortunately. There's wire harness there. I'll sort that out later. And we'll get this started. And it looks like about this one. Right on the money. So, I'm gonna get a shorter extension. We've been throwing our nuts and bolts in that bucket too, in case we're going around the yard getting flat tires. Well, this is the faulty one. Got something jammed up in it. So, we'll go with the small one. That's got nothing in it. That's got something jammed in it. So, whoops. Throw that off in here so I don't keep mixing it up today. And we'll start on this side, because this is where the bucket's at. Oops, wrong bit. That was foolish. Let's try this one. There we go, that's the right one. Look at that, they come out when you got the right bit. Yeah, it's not important. Huh. And I just need this for 2 of the screws. All right. That's what the issue was. One there. And those ones down there. That's why I got the bits confused. It wasn't the bits that were confused. It was the bolts. I had the right one for the wrong bolt. Oops. Not in the middle. Is there any up here? Huh. No, there's not. All right. I'll put our gloves back on. We don't cut our fingers taking the back plate off. It has happened. So I think we'll lift this top one off first. We won't. That'd be hard in bare fingers, I'll tell you. Always wear gloves when you have to, when you can. Oh, even more water coming out. All right, so get these big ones here. My drill out of there. It's not getting wet, but I don't want it to. All right. So, cut some wires off. See down in here. Here we go. Cut some wires off in here. There. Those off. You know. Wait, that did not want to cut. All right, so that off. Take this off. Okay. All right, be like that. Ooh, rusty water. Just looks like a lot of brass on this thing, so we'll save that whole thing, tear it apart. Now, back to this messy thing. That hose is going to come off. Snip that hose off. Now, finish removing these wires up here. Get right up on here. Yeah. There we go. Those wires off. All right. Let's see what kind of mess we're gonna do here. Now, I'm just gonna get these bigger ones, cut right down through this one, like so. And the same with the bottom one. There we go. That's that. Now, there we go. And that's the back cover. And a good thing to do while you're doing this is get a piece off. If you got your what you're loading handy, throw it in. Saves work at the end cleaning up. There we go. Now, the shell should come right up by the looks of it. Looks to be deceiving though. There. That's that off. So, now for this thing, it's coming off anyway. It's just going to stay, so we're going to want to get that drum out of there for burning barrel. So she's held with springs, or sometimes little shock things, and we just use our wire cutters for that. Oh yeah. Just going to cut your springs off. All right, that's that. And there's the wire harness. Too big for the bucket. So I'll throw our wiring harness over in a pile there. Oh. Now this thing. I would like to get this piece of metal off of here. Put together different than the other ones. So let's see what this is. Nothing. Nope. See, this one fit. Nope. Whoops. Throw it away. Don't need it. Nope. Oh God, look at that. Huh. That was in there good, wasn't it? That was just sitting in here too. That's pretty amazing. It's almost loosened right off. No wonder the thing stopped working. There's one through there, one through there. All right. So, look at that. I wonder, is it copper or aluminum? And let's just give it a little scrape test. It's probably aluminum, but you never know, do you? Oh my goodness, look at that. Cheapy copper. Yeah, score. So, I think once we get the pump detached, we can get this thing off here. So, I'll go up here and get the drill and take these little bolts off here. Of course, it's a small one. It's supposed to start raining any time now. So nice to finish this up before it starts. Let's try this one. Nope. Let's try this one. Yep. Now I'm gonna need the longer attachment on it. Extension. There it is. I wonder. Ha! These socket extensions are the same size. So I didn't even need a socket for it. There's one angry hornet. What he's so upset about. Ain't doing nothing to him. Alright. Yeah, that hornet was a bit upset at me. Must be disturbing its beauty rest. Nah, it wouldn't be that easy, would it? Oh, of course not. What in the heck am I going to do here now? As this base will come off without that being off. Get this out of the way. Again, bolts come through from the other side here. Huh. Ain't that a weird machine now? She's still held on somehow. And it's going to start raining. Well, other than this here, the rest of us is staying here anyways. So it's pretty much stripped out. I'm just trying to figure out how this comes off. It ain't looking too easy. I was down through there, some probably bolts. Looky that. There's a bolt I need to get right down there. Let's go in the garbage. That bolt. I don't have an extension for my impact wrench, and it's going to start pouring rain here any minute. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this aside for now because it's going to start raining before we finish it. Now this here, the young fella, when he comes down, oh, we start getting this top part off, don't we? Yeah. So, the reason I want the top part off is on almost every washer and dryer, this right here is sheet aluminum. So you're going to want to get that off so you get the most money out of it. All right, you're not screwed in. So you know what? What in the world's holding that on? That's plastic on the ends. There we go. All right. Plastic over here for the garbage take Wednesday. Whew. And yeah, don't lose that in the ground. That's a flat tire in the future. Screws in the bucket. They go in the shred bucket inside. See, guys, she's getting ready to open up. It's supposed to rain for about 4 hours. They didn't stop. So we'll come up this evening and finish up some more stuff. But it looks like that weather is moving in on me faster than I like. Yeah, put on gloves, Lawrence. Don't be so foolish. There we go. Yeah. Get off there, you bugger. Some of these are some hard to get off. Others are right easy. Oh, look at that. Son of a gun. 1, 2, and 3. That goes in here. All right. So, this thing is glued on as well, eh? So we work the glue off. This should come right off. Now this, ladies and gentlemen, is, there's my little magnet of a speaker. There it is. Sheet aluminum. All nice and clean. Throw that up in here with the other stuff. Now this, I'm not really going to keep anything off of this. Yeah, I know more experienced YouTubers are going, what are you doing? You're throwing money away. But my time is worth more. So it's very quick and easy to tear these down. You just need the right tools and you're good to go. So tonight I'm going to cut this down with the Sawzall. This big sheet of steel here. The sheet, cut it down, throw it in, and pull those chairs out, cut them up or break them up, whatever. Throw them onto their flat to get less room. Basically tomorrow I want a real good full load. Try to move as much of this stuff as I can. Now there's something I wanted to check. Where is it at? I think that's it here. I think that's cast aluminum. I don't know. We'll check that while we're walking around, eh? Because tonight, all these pieces laying around here, all those here, that's all cast aluminum. So I'm gonna take that in tonight and clean it up. And try to clean cast aluminum. Because of that grill over here, barbecue, is non-magnetic. It as well is cast aluminum. I knew it looked like it. So we'll clean that up. And there's the other piece of it over there. We'll take that off. Clean that up. And we'll have some cast aluminum to take it in the morning as well. So I'm hoping tonight to get all this stuff here on the truck and the trailer. Or tonight, tomorrow. Get that area cleaned up so I got a path down in through to the back. And then we got our beat, guys. Alrighty. So here's another. Oh, that's plastic. But I wanted this off it because of the copper and the brass. Put you down here so you can see here, sorry. Chunk of copper, some brass, fittings there, a little bit of wire cut off, not much. And then the rest is trash. So, throw that there. We got a collar there because it's gonna start getting wet here any minute. So anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. It's a short one. I figured when I want to tear stuff apart, I might as well record at least one thing, eh? All right, guys, we'll be back with another in the very near future. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it all. My subs are getting up there. Watch hours are good. Comments are really appreciated, guys. All those nice likes and stuff. Keep them coming. I love it. All right, guys. You all have a great day, and I'm going to get goes away before it rains. And good evening, and God bless.